Greetings from the journey of the future. Dreams of traveling freely collide with sustainability and luxury in the midst of the rush of contemporary life. The 2026 Honda Luxury Motorhome is a groundbreaking concept that reimagines adventure. This concept car, which is based on Honda's cutting-edge electric van architecture, offers zero emissions without compromising performance. The motorhome's incredible combined power output is powered by Honda's cutting-edge EN architecture electric motor and supported by a next-generation solid-state battery pack that can travel up to 500 kilometers (WLTP) between charges. The outside design incorporates futuristic aerodynamics and clean lines, which are hallmarks of Honda's man maximum, machine minimum design philosophy. The roof's seamless integration of solar panels maximizes energy efficiency. Large aerodynamic wheels highlight a posh and effective appearance on the road, while adaptive LED headlights and Honda robotics-inspired taillights provide a very contemporary touch. The dashboard is modern and easy to use when you first enter. The whole dashboard is covered by a curved panoramic touchscreen that displays entertainment, AI-powered navigation, and vehicle information. The two-spoke steering wheel and holographic display of key information offer a clear, distraction-free cockpit, while haptic touch controls seamlessly and minimalistically replace traditional buttons. Every inch of the main room has been thoughtfully used to create a large, multifunctional area. High-end materials like sustainable maple wood, repurposed vegan leather, and creative fabrics adorn surfaces, resulting in a cozy yet contemporary ambience. LED ambient lighting may be changed to provide a variety of moods, from serene and gentle for relaxation to bright for work. The electrically adjustable and 360-degree swivel chairs enable a variety of living room arrangements for mingling or personal rest. At night, pressing a button opens a secret sleeping space. A cozy queen-size bed with organic linens and a memory foam mattress rises from the wall or floor. An integrated audio system plays natural sounds for a peaceful night's sleep, while panoramic windows with electronic shutters offer breathtaking views of the night sky. The bathroom is small but totally practical, providing both economy and elegance. The water-saving shower has a motion-activated sensor, and the walls are composed of lightweight, water-resistant composite materials. Honda's dedication to sustainability is demonstrated by its eco-friendly composting toilet and fold-down wash basin with automated tap. The space is finished with a concealed storage unit and an anti-fog LED mirror. The multi-purpose kitchen is the focal point of your culinary journey. The sophisticated quartz countertop smoothly incorporates a 2-burner induction stove. Ingredients are kept fresh with an energy-efficient pull-out freezer and refrigerator. Every meal is made simple and pleasurable to prepare thanks to a dual-filtration water dispenser, a small convection oven/microwave, and clever dishware storage. More than just a car, the 2026 Honda Luxury Motorhome is a symbol of independence, creativity, and a dedication to a sustainable future. A stylish and environmentally conscious experience awaits you on your next journey.